How to share Bixby Quick Commands on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. In here, tap on Advanced Features. Then tap on Bixby. Next, tap on the More button and then tap on Quick Commands. After that, tap on My Commands, and in here it will show you a list of commands. So select the command that you want to share. You can share one or more commands, and then tap on Share button. Next, choose a method of sharing. You can use Quick Share, Messages, WhatsApp, or you can select one of the quick contact at the top here to share. So here I can share it to my contact in text messages, and then tap on the Share button. And that's it. That is how you can share quick commands. And already on my other device, I can receive the message, as you can see, and from there I can open it. So here I can tap on the link to open up those quick commands. So when I click on it, it will open this command, and from here I can tap on Saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.